Hello everyone, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now make a ponytail by taking all the hairs. Now after that, divide the hairs into two parts. After that, fold them upward and fix it like this. After rolling the hairs, fold them and fix it like this in the between again and tie them together using a rubber band. After that, again divide the hairs from the between, fix it properly. After dividing it, we will rotate the hairs by making a space in the between and then fold them upward and fix it over the bun. Press the hairs like this on the sides, fix it using the bun pins if you want, otherwise your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For tie a loose ponytail like this, now rotate the hairs from the between as shown in the video. Now after rotating the hairs, fold it upward and make a ponytail or a bun like this and spread the hairs along the sides and put the hair clutch over it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides. Take small section of the hairs and rotate them upward. After that, tie them together like this. Now, tie the hairs, make a heart-like shape. Now, again repeat the process. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, again divide the hairs and fix them on the alternative sides by folding it upward like this. Watch these steps very carefully, how we are tying the hairs, how we are putting it by dividing the hairs. Repeat the process for a few more times. Keep taking the hairs from the sides. Now, dividing the hairs and rotating it upward like this and fix it from the between. So here it will look like a heart-like shape and then fix it using the rubber bands. Fix these steps in the same manner till the end. Fold it upward and fix it like this using the hair bun pins and your hairstyle is almost ready. Now again make a ponytail, divide the hairs into small sections like this and put it in the between. It will look like a plaited hairs. Now after you are done with it, we will divide the hairs from the between by tying the rubber band. Fix the hairs till the end like this and tie it properly as shown in the video. After that, we will fold it upward. So fix it as we are fixing in this video. Watch these steps very carefully and follow along. Now roll it upward and fix it like this and put the hair bun pins to fix the hairs properly and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back, divide the hairs into two parts like this and make the ponytails. After that, divide the hairs from the between and make the rubber bands like this, put it properly, rotate the hairs and fold it upward like this as we are folding it. Fix the hairs on each side. Now again make the plaits on the ends of the hairs on both the sides. Now after that, we will join it together by folding it upward. Fold it properly as shown in the video. Roll it as we are rolling it on the alternative sides around the bun and put the hair bun pins to fix the hairs. Now put the designer clip over it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into two parts and on the one part we will make the plaits on the hairs like this. Follow the same step on the alternative side as well. Fix it using the rubber band. Now fold it upward and rotate the hairs like this and fold it properly. Follow the same process for the other side like this and make the plaits on it and fix it using the rubber band on the downside. Now fold it in the same manner by folding it upward and fix it properly using the hairpins. Roll the hairs like this and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.